So hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. So first news is basically from LeakBase forum. So LeakBase is one of the most famous forum which is allowed you to basically sell some sort of stolen data, password and bank details. So guys, there is around 1,40,000 people were involved in buying and selling leaked information. But probably a good thing is the admin of this platform has been detained by the Russian authorities in a global cybercrime operation. So they were running operation in which all those people has been caught. So guess what? From where they belongs to? Just let me know in the comment box. Right now, next news is coming from Microsoft. So Microsoft is working on detecting threat. Right. There is a supply chain attack which is called Trivich supply chain attack. So Microsoft is basically working to detect all those kind of threats. And right now, if there is an attacker which may target software dependency to inject malicious code, they are going to prevent all those things by using this outcomes on which they are working on. And right now, like you all know, supply chain attacks are becoming one of the major cyber security risk, right? Do you know what is supply chain attack? Just let me know. Otherwise, I'll just create a video for you. Now, next news related to VS Code. So, guys, there is a new fake VS Code security extension which was found spreading a lot of malware, right? So, as always, it looks legitimate, but it is install malicious codes, right, in the developer system, right? Those who are developing the things using this code editor on their system. Doesn't matter it's Mac or what, right? So right now, guys, if you're going to install any extension on your VS Code, just make sure to download from authorized person only, or just check out the source code, right? I don't recommend you to blindly install anything whatever you want, right? Don't be a script kiddie. Now the next news are coming from China. So guys, there is a hacking group which is Chinese linked, so they are targeting multiple organizations. So the attack actually the attack that they are crafting is focused on espionage and long-term access, and for sure critical sectors like telecom infrastructure are at high risk, right? And this is tagged as CLSTA 1087. And yes, that's what they have. Now next news is coming from Chrome. So guys, Google Chrome released 26 vulnerability fixes, right, which is I guess one of the most huge update till date on 2026. So there was some sort of flaws which could actually allow the attackers to run the malicious code, right? So update as soon as possible. Now next news is related to Lapsus, one of the most famous hacking group, right? So the cybercrime group Lapsus Dollar claimed to have hacked AstraZeneca. And guys, the attacker actually involved in sensitive corporate or research data as well, right? AstraZeneca is basically one of the biggest pharma company, right? It has been caught in this thing, and basically investigation is going on, which is let's see what are the things which is coming forward. Now the next news is related to router TP-Link. So guys, TP-Link Archer NX, which I was also using. So this was a router have a very critical vulnerability. So attacker actually can take the access of the devices which is connected with this router, and full control can be taken. So it's strongly advised to just update your router. So basically, whenever we have a router, we need to update the firmware. So you update the firmware of your. You can see the update option in the your router setting as well on the local IP by doing some sort of adding the login credentials, username, password, and then you can see an option of updating your firmware of your router. So just do it as soon as possible. Now next news is related to WebRTC. Yes, the same thing which is used for video conferencing and all those things. So guys, there is a new WebRTC based skimming attack which was discovered. Actually, it bypassed the security protection like CSP. Okay, and there the attacker can steal payment and card details from the user itself. Now the last news is related to LeakBase once again. So like it's the same. LeakBase admin has been arrested, so it's something safe, and the evidence actually include the devices and data was seized, right? So this is the part of one of the global crackdown on cybercrime platform, right? So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.